Welcome to Funimation 3D. What if I told you Earth wears invisible sunglasses every single day? No arms, no lenses, no giant sunglasses store in space, but a real shield high above our heads that helps protect people, animals, plants, and the whole planet. Sounds amazing, right? Today, we're going on a sky-high science adventure to discover the mystery of the ozone layer, Earth's secret sunglasses. Meet Ava and her tiny robot friend, Orbit. Ava loved asking questions about the sky. One sunny afternoon, she put on her sunglasses and looked up. "Orbit," she said, "my sunglasses protect my eyes from bright sunlight. Does Earth have anything like that?" Orbit's eyes flashed blue. Excellent question detected. Preparing for launch into a super cool science mystery. "Wait," said Ava. "Are we really going to space?" "Sort of," said Orbit. "We're going on an imagination mission." Whoosh! In Ava's imagination, she and Orbit zoomed high above the trees, above the clouds, above the airplanes, and farther up into the sky. "Wow," said Ava. "We're so high." Orbit pointed at Earth below them. "Now we can explore one of Earth's most important invisible protectors, the ozone layer." "The ozone layer?" Ava asked. "What is that?" Orbit smiled. "First, let's talk about the sun." Far away in space, the sun blazed like a giant glowing ball of energy. "The sun is amazing," said Orbit. "It gives Earth light and warmth. Plants need sunlight to grow. Animals need plants. And people need the sun too. So sunlight is very important." Ava nodded. "So the sun is a good thing." "It sure is," said Orbit. "But here's the tricky part. Not all sunlight is the same." Ava blinked. "What do you mean?" "The sun sends out different kinds of rays," Orbit explained. "Some are helpful, but some are extra strong. One kind is called ultraviolet light, or UV light." Ava frowned a little. "Ultraviolet sounds like a superhero name." Orbit laughed. "It does. But in this case, UV rays are tiny invisible sunlight rays that are stronger than the light we can see. We can't see them, but they are there." "So are they bad?" Ava asked. "A little bit is okay," said Orbit, "but too much can be harmful. Too much strong UV light can hurt skin, eyes, plants, and even tiny living things in the ocean." Ava looked surprised. "Then how is Earth protected?" Orbit grinned. "Now we've reached the best part." He pointed to a special layer high up in the sky. "This is the ozone layer." Ava stared. "It's like a giant invisible shield." "Exactly," said Orbit. "The ozone layer is a special layer high in the atmosphere. It is made of ozone gas, and its job is to block a lot of the sun's strongest UV rays before they reach Earth." Ava gasped. "So that's why you called it Earth's sunglasses?" "Yes," said Orbit. "Just like your sunglasses help protect your eyes from bright sunlight, the ozone layer helps protect Earth from too much strong sunlight." Ava laughed. "So, Earth is basically wearing invisible sky sunglasses." "That is a perfect way to picture it," said Orbit. Now Orbit tapped a glowing screen in the air. Suddenly, Ava saw Earth wearing giant silly sunglasses. Ava burst out laughing. "That looks awesome!" "Funny," said Orbit, "but also helpful, because it makes the idea easy to remember. Ozone layer equals Earth's sunglasses." "Got it," said Ava. "But wait," said Orbit. "Let's see what happens if Earth didn't have enough ozone protection." The silly sunglasses faded away. More strong UV rays zoomed down from the sun. "Oh," said Ava. "Too many rays are getting through." "Right," said Orbit. "Without enough ozone protection, more strong UV rays can reach Earth's surface. That can make life harder for living things. So the ozone layer is doing a really big job," said Ava. "A huge job," said Orbit. "And the amazing part is, most people never even see it." Ava looked up at the invisible shield. "It's like a quiet superhero." Orbit gave a happy beep. "Exactly! A quiet superhero in the sky." Then Ava noticed something strange. One part of the ozone layer looked thinner. "Orbit," she said, What happened there? Orbit's face turned serious. A while ago, scientists discovered that the ozone layer had become damaged in some places. In a few areas, it became thinner, almost like Earth's sunglasses were scratched. How did that happen? Ava asked. Some chemicals made by people were getting into the air, said Orbit. These chemicals were used in some sprays, cooling systems, and machines a long time ago. When they reached high into the atmosphere, they started harming the ozone layer. Ava looked worried. So Earth's sunglasses got weaker? In some places, yes, said Orbit. And that mattered because weaker ozone protection meant more strong UV rays could slip through. Ava was quiet for a moment. That sounds bad. It was a big problem, said Orbit. But here comes the hopeful part. Ava smiled. I like hopeful parts. Scientists studied the problem, said Orbit. Countries around the world listened. People worked together. They agreed to stop using many of the harmful chemicals that were damaging the ozone layer. Ava's eyes widened. The whole world helped? A lot of the world did, said Orbit. And guess what? It made a difference. A glowing picture showed the ozone layer slowly getting stronger again. It's healing, said Ava. Yes, said Orbit. In many places, scientists have seen signs that the ozone layer is slowly recovering. That means Earth's invisible sunglasses are getting stronger again. That's amazing, Ava said. So people can actually help protect the planet. They can, said Orbit. And that's one of the coolest things about science. Science helps us understand problems, and people can work together to solve them. Ava thought for a moment. What can kids do? Orbit floated beside her. Kids can learn, care, and share. You can care about Earth, learn how nature works, and tell others why protecting our planet matters. Every big change starts with people understanding what is important. Ava smiled down at Earth. So even though I can't see the ozone layer, it's still one of Earth's most important protectors. Exactly, said Orbit. So let me see if I understand, Ava said. The sun gives Earth light and warmth, which is good. But it also sends some extra strong UV rays. The ozone layer is high in the sky, and it helps block a lot of those strong rays. That's why it's like Earth's sunglasses. Orbit spun happily. Perfect! And it got damaged in some places because of harmful chemicals, Ava continued. But people around the world worked together, and now it's slowly healing. Perfect again, said Orbit. Ava smiled. That means the ozone layer is a hidden hero. It sure is, said Orbit. So let's do a quick super sunny recap. The ozone layer is a special protective layer high in the sky. It helps block a lot of the sun's strongest UV rays. That's why people call it Earth's sunglasses. It helps protect people, animals, plants, and ocean life. It was damaged in some places by harmful chemicals, but people around the world worked together to help protect it, and now it is slowly healing. Now, every time you put on sunglasses on a bright day, you can remember that Earth has its own invisible pair too, the ozone layer, a giant hidden sky-high pair of sunglasses for our planet. Thanks for joining Ava and Orbit on this fun Earth science adventure at Funimation 3D. If you enjoyed learning about the ozone layer and Earth's invisible sunglasses, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Funimation 3D for more amazing science videos. See you next time!